to show you guys how to use Tradelocker to place your trades for the people that don't know how to use Tradelocker. So at this zone, this button here, this is where you find the pairs that you're looking for. Currently, you're looking at the pairs that I put on favorite, but if you want to see all your pairs, you just tap this button and you can see all pairs and you can search for anyone you want to. But if you find the one you want to, you can just add it as favorite like I did, and then whenever you want to see the pair, you just click here and to just show you all your favorite pairs. So with that being said, this is where you find the pairs. And then if you want to place a trade, let's say you want to place a trade on gold right now, all you have to do is just click this button, this arrow button down here. When you click it, you put your, if you want to use an instant execution, you just have to put your stop loss here, put your take profits here, put your lot size here, and then you click if it's a buy or if it's a sell. Or if you want to use maybe let's say a buy limit or a buy stop, all you have to do is click this pending order right here. When you click this pending order right here, you put the price at which you will be entering the market at, or the price at which you want to enter the market at. You put the stop loss, you put the take profits, you put the lot size, then you click either if it's a buy or if it's a sell. I don't use Tradelocker to analyze the charts because the chart is not stable. They're still doing some kind of upgrades on the app, so it's still kind of having problems here and there. If you want to see your running trades, all you have to just do is click here, and here you can see all your running trades. You can see these are all my currently running trades on I'm coding trade on gold and GBP/JPY, and this is currently the running trades. And if you want to see your trade history, you just have to click history, and you're going to see the history of all the trades you have taken on your accounts and everything. It's just taking some time to refresh here. I don't know. Okay, so you can see all the history of the trades that I've taken on this account, right? So that's just how to use Tradelocker. This is for history, for open trades, for pending orders in case you have anyone. And then this is basically if you want to see basically the overall view of your account, just click here at this P and L. Click here and you're just going to see the overall view of your account and how everything is going, right? Or if you want to log out or if you want to stay logged in. And yep, that's it for the app. There's not much upgrade on the app yet because it's still a new app and that's still developing, but I think it's really cool. It's a really cool app, though I personally prefer to use MT4 still, because simply because Tradelocker right now is kind of still upgrading and they're still fixing issues, so I still prefer to use MT4. But I believe that in the future it's a very good app and it can be the next big thing.